Dear students, today we will learn phrasal prepositions, which are also called compound prepositions. In earlier classes, we studied simple prepositions such as at, in, on, by, with. But today, we will move beyond simple prepositions and learn professional expressions that are often used in engineering reports, emails, and project documents. These expressions help us sound more formal and precise in communication. What are phrasal prepositions? A phrasal preposition is a group of two or three words that work together as one preposition. Instead of a single word, we use a phrase to express a more detailed meaning. Structure usually looks like this: preposition plus noun or adjective plus preposition. Examples include in spite of, on account of, with reference to, in addition to. Example, the project was delayed on account of heavy rainfall. Here, on account of works as one preposition. Why are phrasal prepositions important? Because they help us express complex relationships between ideas more clearly than a single preposition. They are commonly used in technical reports, research papers, professional emails, engineering documents. First, we will learn phrasal prepositions used to explain reasons. These help us explain why something happened. Preposition on account of. This means because of something. Example, the project was delayed on account of heavy rainfall. Another example is the experiment stopped on account of a power failure. Now, understand the usage of preposition due to. This is also used to explain a reason or cause. Example, the system failure was due to a short circuit. The flight was cancelled due to a bad weather. Now we will understand the preposition because of. This also explains the reason for something. Example, motor overheated because of lack of lubrication. The match was cancelled because of rain. Small usage tip is due to usually follows a noun. Because of often follows an action. Now let us see phrasal prepositions used for adding information or showing exception. In addition to preposition, this means something extra is added. Example, in addition to the CAD drawing, please submit the 3D model. In addition to mathematics, she studied physics. Preposition along with. This means together with something. Example, send the invoice along with the delivery receipt. Teacher came along with the principal. Preposition except for. This shows something that is excluded. Example, all systems are working except for the backup generator. Everyone attended the class except for Rahul. Now, let us go to the preposition apart from. This also means besides or except. Example, apart from the initial cost, maintenance is cheap. Now we learn expressions used when something unexpected happens. Preposition in spite of or despite. These mean even though something difficult exists. Example, the test was successful in spite of low voltage. Despite the heavy rain, the match continued. Preposition instead of. This means one thing is used as a replacement for another. Example, use copper wire instead of aluminium. Drink water instead of soft drinks. Now let's see the preposition regardless of. This means without considering something. Example, the circuit will trip regardless of the user settings if it overheats. The event will happen regardless of the weather. Reference and relation. These expressions are commonly used in professional communication and emails. Preposition with reference to. This means about something previously mentioned. Example, with reference to your email dated March 10, I would like to clarify the issue. Preposition in regard to. This means about a specific topic. Example, I'm writing in regard to the upcoming site inspection. Preposition according to. This means based on information from someone or something. Example, according to the manual, the pressure should not exceed 10 bar. Next preposition in accordance with. This means following rules or standards. Example, in accordance with safety standards, workers must wear helmets. Some phrasal prepositions also describe physical positions, like in front of. Example, the control panel is located in front of the main boiler. Preposition by means of. Example, the valve is opened by means of a remote switch. On top of. If we see the example for preposition on top of, place the insulator on top of the conductor plate. Position in place of. This means replacing something. Example, we installed a digital meter in place of the analog one. Purpose and benefits. These expressions explain purpose or intention. Preposition for the sake of. Example, for the sake of safety, the power was cut during the repair. In favor of. Example, the board voted in favor of the new green energy project on behalf of. Example, I accept this award on behalf of the engineering department. Position in order to. This explains purpose. Example, in order to increase efficiency, we updated the firmware. Another example is students study hard in order to pass exams. Now, let us try some practice exercise. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with correct phrasal prepositions. Dash the high cost, the company decided to buy the CNC machine. The plant was shut down, dash a major gas leak. Please update the software, dash the latest security protocols. We used a temporary fix, dash a permanent solution. Dash the basic features, the pro version includes cloud storage. Let's check answers for these practice questions. We can use multiple prepositions in these examples. For the first one, we can use in spite of or despite. In spite the high cost, the company decided to buy the CNC machine. This is also correct. Despite the high cost, the company decided to buy the CNC machine. Both are correct. For the second one, the plant was shut down due to a major gas leak. This is also correct. The plant was shut down on account of major gas leak. Both are correct. Please update the software in accordance with the latest security protocols. Fourth one, we used a temporary fix instead of a permanent solution. This is also correct. We used a temporary fix in place of a permanent solution. This is also correct. Fifth one, here also we can use two prepositions. In addition to the basic features, the Pro version includes cloud storage. Another preposition also suitable here. That is, apart from the basic features, the Pro version includes cloud storage. Now let us quickly revise. Important phrasal prepositions include in addition to. This is used for extra information. On account of, this is used for reason. In spite of, for contrast, in accordance with, for following rules. Instead of, for replacement, with reference to, about a topic. Using phrasal prepositions makes your technical writing and project reports sound more professional. Instead of using simple words like but, so, or because, phrasal prepositions make communication clearer and more formal. Thank you.